The check engine light is on because your car's self-diagnostic system has detected an issue with the efficiency of the catalytic converter. This type of fault is not likely to result in a breakdown that could leave you stranded. Please keep in mind that your car may be emitting harmful exhaust fumes and using excessive fuel while the check engine light remains on. Based on the trouble code stored by your car's self-diagnostic system, a catalytic converter appears to be operating poorly. There are several things that can cause this issue. Schedule a visit to your local AAA-approved auto repair facility to have the problem diagnosed and repaired. To find a AAA-approved auto repair facility near you, visit AAA.com/auto repair. The catalytic converter is located in the exhaust system and is used to clean some of the pollution from the engine's exhaust gases, stopping them from reaching the environment. The system consists of the exhaust manifold to collect and transport exhaust gases from the engine's cylinders, an upstream oxygen sensor to measure how well the fuel is being used, the catalytic converter that reduces and cleans up harmful exhaust emissions, a downstream oxygen sensor that measures catalytic converter performance, and finally, the muffler and tailpipe that transports the exhaust gases safely away from the car. During normal engine and catalytic converter operation, exhaust gas with a small amount of pollutants flows into the catalytic converter. A reaction takes place in the converter that cleans up the pollutants, and less harmful gases exit out through the tailpipe. As the converter ages or is exposed to excessive unburned fuel in the exhaust, its efficiency or ability to clean up pollutants diminishes. Converter replacement is required to keep the vehicle from polluting excessively. To make sure the catalytic converter is working efficiently, your car's self-diagnostic system continuously monitors catalytic converter efficiency through the oxygen sensors. An oxygen sensor measures the oxygen content of exhaust gas. When the converter is working, some of the oxygen in the exhaust gas gets used in cleaning up the pollutants. With the upstream oxygen sensor installed before the converter and the downstream oxygen sensor installed after the converter, we can measure changes in the exhaust gases caused by the catalytic converter. As the efficiency of the converter diminishes, the characteristics of electrical signals from the oxygen sensors change in a predictable manner, and the computer sets a fault code. Based on the trouble code stored by your car's self-diagnostic system, a catalytic converter appears to be operating poorly. There are several things that can cause this issue. Schedule a visit to your local AAA-approved auto repair facility to have the problem diagnosed and repaired. To find a AAA-approved auto repair facility near you, visit AAA.com/auto repair.